Manikantan has written in through email. Now he says that he's taken a home loan from a bank. Date of loan disbursement was November 29, but the cheque was prepared on December 2nd and was handed over to him on December 5th. Now the bank is charging him interest from November 29. Which date should the bank typically charge the interest from? Date of disbursal or date of issue of cheque?
So this is one of those things where I think many lenders try to sneak in extra charges. I mean, and they, if you are an alert customer, they won't do it. Protest. Okay. The easiest way. I mean, this will hardly take you 7 days. I can promise you within 7 days you will get your money back. No matter what your manager is currently telling you. Stop talking to people on the phone. Go to that lender's website, that bank's website. There will be a section on how to lodge your grievance. Just lodge an official grievance. Give details of your home loan number, these details that you have mentioned here, and threaten that if this is not solved, then I'm going to go to the banking ombudsman. That word banking ombudsman works like magic, and I think within 7 or 10 days you should get credit for those 5 or 6 days of additional interest that you have been charged. There is no way they can charge you interest prior to the date on which the cheque was handed over. Though I think for most practices they typically will start charging you from the date of the cheque. Not correct. If you protest, they will have to take it to the date they handed over the cheque to you. But between November 29 and December 2 is completely unjustified.
Right. So you obviously you are an alert borrower, Manikantan. I mean, full marks to you for that, and good job there spotting that discrepancy. Now do make sure that you set it right. Write to the bank like Harsh just told you. Go to the website and register a complaint. Do not talk to people on the phone. And Harsh, that is something I wanted to talk to you on very quickly. We are nearing an end of the show. But if you could just tell us what are your rights as a home loan borrower? Because a lot of time people are very wary of, challenging the bank or going back to the bank and saying that, hey, this is wrong. What are your rights as a home loan borrower?
I think you have the Charter of Rights is laid down in the Banking Standards Board. They have laid down a Charter of Rights.
But the big things that you need to remember, like you just said, do not talk to the bank on the phone. So what are the things that you should do if you have a grievance?
So you have a right to be treated fairly, to encapsulate that, and to make sure that you get the fair treatment, you have to make sure your complaint is put on record. When you talk to people on the phone, it satisfies your human nature, but it does not put your complaint on record. The bank will turn around and say you had never complained. So the first thing you do when a complaint arises is first post an official complaint in the hierarchy that has been provided on the, that's compulsory. Right. Just do that, things will get sorted out.
Things will get sorted out, and remember, you always need to put it down in black and white. The bank asks for most documents in triplicate. You should also provide enough documentation. Harsh, I know you want to say something.
You can do this over email. Right. You don't have to write letters.
So ensure you do it over email. Ensure you register your complaint in writing.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.